Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to install the Apple iPad Air M2 11-inch into this BATYUE case. So we'll also do a review of the case. This is the Apple iPad Air 6th generation M2. So the first thing, it's got some rubber. We got to take this rubber off around the side. You may have to get like a little pry bar right here. And guess what? It comes with one. That's awesome. So you want to get this rubber off of here. Kind of stick it in there. Now I've got the rubber off. We want to keep peeling the rubber off because we're going to have to separate these halves. So once you get it started, it goes pretty easy. That is awesome. It comes with that tool. Again, around the corners, don't tear it. If you have to, you can, you can just use the little pry bar again. Lift it up. There you go. Then we're going to use this pry bar to separate the halves also. Yeah, a little tricky around the corners. You don't want to, it looks like you could possibly tear it there. I really do like these cases for their kickstands. I use these cases all the time. And I just recently got the iPad Air, and so I'm going to need a new case for it. Yeah, you want to be careful around the corners. Definitely a tear point potential, but there. All right, now we're going to find these little hooks right here. Use the same pry bar. Same pry bar there. Now we're going to put the iPad Air in here. Again, there's the charging point, speakers. All of this is going to line up. We've got the speaker ports. There's a little bit of cushioning in here. This is where the pencil can go. So you're going to kind of push it down. Okay. Leave the rubber off. Don't get it. Yeah, it should have stayed out there. Sorry about that. I kind of pushed it down a little bit. All right. Now we want to take that plastic and we're going to snap that plastic on. Looks like we got to remove this first. All right, I don't see anything else. There is some cushion there. These should snap back into those things that we disconnected earlier. Yeah, as long as the plastic stays out of the way, it should snap into place. There. Now those are all snapped in place. Now it's time to put the plastic, and it's going to go in this little groove. So you may have to pull it up. You want that to go in that groove. Corners are a little tricky, but if you just kind of roll it into the groove. Yeah, I love these. All right. This one's turned to be a little there. There it went. Oh, and then we got the top. Yeah. So I have access to the power button. See, that's a fingerprint reader also. So I've got nice, good access. I can put the Apple Pencil. It's also going to magnetically stick to it. But the main reason I like these is the kickstand. That is the best part right there. And it's even a carrying handle. I mean, I can do horizontal any way I want. Like this, down really low. I mean, that right there is the amazing part. Now, if I want to charge it, take that off, speakers, volume. The volume does go through, and press the volume buttons. Yeah, this is super, super nice. Love this case. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.